Proper floor preparation is one of the most important steps in any floor coating installation. We use a diamond grinder attached to a vacuum to remove any old coatings and create a profile in the concrete, ensuring proper adhesion. If there are any major cracks, we open them with a crack-chasing blade and use a vacuum to minimize dust. Once all cracks, dust, and debris are cleared, we vacuum everything thoroughly. Any holes or cracks in the floor are patched with an epoxy-based patching material. We usually do this at the end of the first day to allow the patches to fully cure overnight. Cove molding. While optional for many facilities, it's highly recommended in kitchens or any space that requires high sanitation standards. With constant exposure to grease, food spills, and other contaminants, an easy-to-clean, seamless transition from floor to wall makes a huge difference. By installing cove molding, the floor extends 4 inches up the wall, creating a seamless, sloped transition that prevents buildup in hard-to-clean corners. This is a common upgrade for restrooms and kitchens. For the first coat on the floor, we apply a 3-part self-leveling cementitious urethane. This consists of a resin, hardener, and a powder aggregate that, when mixed, creates a thick, cement-like slurry. The material is poured onto the floor and spread evenly with a notched squeegee to ensure the proper thickness, then back-rolled using a loop roller to help it self-level. The cementitious urethane base coat is crucial for durability, providing superior impact resistance, thermal shock resistance, and a built-in moisture vapor barrier. While the coating is still wet, we broadcast quartz sand into it to increase thickness and strength. Once the first coat is fully cured, we sweep up all excess sand and vacuum thoroughly. Next, we mix a 2-part 100% solids epoxy and pour it onto the floor. Using a squeegee, we spread it evenly, cutting in corners with a brush and back rolling for a smooth, even finish. Another layer of quartz sand is broadcasted directly into the wet epoxy. After curing, we return to sweep up any loose sand and vacuum again. Next is the epoxy grout coat. If the floor includes a cove molding, we apply the grout coat to the cove first before moving on to the floor. The epoxy is poured, spread with a squeegee, and back rolled for an even finish. This step is crucial for sealing in the sand while maintaining the non-slip properties of the sand in the floor. The top coat is then applied, which is a polyurethane product that provides ultimate protection. We start by applying the top coat to the cove molding, then roll a thin, even layer onto the floor. Despite being applied thinly, this top coat cures extremely hard, ensuring long-lasting floor protection.